Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Average cost to replace windows. Replacing a window costs an average of $300 to $700 each. This assumes that the replacement is going into an existing and structurally sound frame on a ground floor. Replacing everything in a typical 3-bedroom, single-story home with 10 openings can range from $3,000 to $7,000.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In the world of replacement windows, you essentially get what you pay for. Another reason why $189 windows are so cheap is because their vinyl contains filler ingredients. These ingredients allow manufacturers to drastically reduce the cost of the window, but this spells trouble for homeowners. 29 October 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
On average, a window replacement costs anywhere from $150 to $750 per window. The most common windows installed are double-hung or casement windows, which are very affordable. A large wooden bay window would be more expensive and may cost up to $2,550 or more to install.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.